The Ares 4's engines roared one last time, kicking up a storm of red dust. The first human colonists on Mars felt the jolt as the landing struts bit into the soil. Silence. Then cheers erupted inside the spacecraft. They had made it. Years of planning, training, dreaming culminated in this moment. Captain Eva Johansson, her heart still pounding, addressed her crew. 6 faces, a tapestry of nationalities and expertise, looked back at her, their eyes filled with awe and apprehension. The weight of history pressed down on them. They were pioneers on a planet 10,000 miles from home. Outside, the Martian landscape stretched, alien and desolate, bathed in the pale light of a distant sun. Red plains met a pink sky, the horizon curved, hinting at the true scale of the world they were about to conquer. It was beautiful. It was terrifying. It was home. The airlock cycled, the hiss of escaping pressure, a sound they would soon come to know well. Johansson, taking a deep breath, stepped onto the rusty surface. One small step for her, one giant leap for humankind. The colonization of Mars had begun.
Section 5. Glitches and Gremlins. When technology fails. Our survival depended on technology. The habitat, the life support systems, the communication arrays, all were vulnerable to the unforgiving Martian environment. And fail they did, at the most inconvenient times, in the most unexpected ways. One day, the water recycling system malfunctioned. A faulty valve, a clogged filter, a series of seemingly minor issues that cascaded into a major crisis. Rations had to be cut, showers were out of the question, the air grew thick with tension. Then there were the communication blackouts. Mars, at its closest, was still several light minutes away. A simple phone call was impossible. During these blackouts, the feeling of isolation was amplified, the silence deafening. Each failure was a learning experience. We improvised, we adapted, we jury-rigged solutions with duct tape and ingenuity. We learned to rely on our own skills and each other's expertise, knowing that help from Earth was not always guaranteed.
Section 6. Martian ingenuity, innovation born from necessity. Necessity, they say, is the mother of invention. On Mars, this adage was proven true time and again. Faced with limited resources and a hostile environment, we were forced to innovate, to find solutions that no one had even thought of before. Take, for example, the Martian concrete. Building materials were scarce, so we experimented with Martian soil, mixing it with sulfur extracted from the atmosphere. The result was a durable, quick-setting concrete, perfect for building structures that could withstand the harsh conditions. Then there was the atmospheric water generator. By exploiting the temperature differences between day and night, we were able to condense water vapor from the thin Martian air, supplementing our precious water supply. Every challenge, every setback was an opportunity for innovation. We were writing the book on Martian survival, one ingenious solution at a time. Our resourcefulness was a testament to the adaptability and ingenuity of the human spirit.
They had arrived on Mars as individuals selected for their skills and expertise. But they were bound together by a shared experience, a common purpose. The challenges they faced, the hardships they endured, forged them into a community, a family. They celebrated birthdays with Martian cakes, baked from algae flour and sweetened with synthesized honey. They held movie nights, projecting films onto the curved wall of the habitat, their laughter echoing in the artificial atmosphere. They argued, they debated, they challenged each other's ideas, but they always had each other's backs, knowing that their survival depended on their ability to work together, to support each other through thick and thin. The Martian colony was more than just a scientific outpost. It was a testament to the human spirit, to our ability to come together, to overcome adversity, to build a future for ourselves, even in the most unlikely of places.
The primary goal of the Mars colony was not just survival, but scientific exploration. They were pioneers exploring a new world, unlocking its secrets, paving the way for future generations. The geologists among them were enthralled by the evidence of past water, hinting at a time when Mars might have been a very different place. They discovered strange microbial life forms, thriving in the most extreme environments, challenging everything they thought they knew about the limits of life. The astronomers marveled at the clarity of the Martian sky, free from the distortions of Earth's atmosphere. They built powerful telescopes, peering deep into the cosmos, making groundbreaking discoveries about the universe we inhabit. Every day on Mars brought new discoveries, new insights, new questions. They were pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it.
Years passed. The small outpost grew, expanding module by module, a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. More colonists arrived, bringing with them new skills, new dreams, new hopes for the future. Children were born, the first true Martians, their first cries echoing in the artificial atmosphere. A symphony of hope in the face of adversity. They would never know Earth the way their parents did, but they would inherit a new world. A world built on the sacrifices and dreams of those who came before them. The Mars colony became a symbol of hope. Not just for those on Earth, but for the future of humanity itself. It showed that we were not bound by the confines of our home planet, that we could overcome any challenge, reach any goal if we dared to dream big enough and work together. Looking up at the red sky, no longer alien but familiar, Johansen felt a sense of accomplishment. They had done it. They had established a permanent human presence on another planet. It hadn't been easy, there had been setbacks, tragedies even, but they had persevered. The challenges of Mars had forced humanity to innovate, to cooperate, to push the boundaries of what was possible. In conquering the red planet, they had discovered hidden reserves of strength, resilience, and ingenuity within themselves. The journey had just begun. There were still challenges ahead, but now, looking back at the faint blue dot of Earth in the Martian sky, Johansen knew that humanity's future was no longer bound to a single planet. The red sky of Mars, once a symbol of hostility, now represented hope, a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration and the boundless potential of the human race. The future was out there, waiting to be written among the stars.